excellence. May come on the NCM class of 2024 top graduate, Mr. Gerard Ade Deisa.
Welcome back to my channel. Very pleasant afternoon to Director Ed Cruz, Professor Sergin Bang, our speaker, Directors Cynthia Alawi, all esteemed faculty, the MC admin, Ms. Rosel, and staff, classmates, guests, volunteers, and of course, my family. Before I start, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of my mother, Tess Mila, who canceled her flight to Bicol just to be here. Salamat, Mama. And Papa, who's now in heaven. Just to share you guys, I really did not expect this to happen. And supposedly, I was not going to attend because Mama will be in Bicol, as I mentioned. But don't get me wrong, guys, because I'm so grateful to TMC in giving me this unexpected opportunity. For this afternoon, I intend this message to speak about our MDM journey because collectively, this event highlights our story. Tayo. And I'll do this by highlighting 3 points through an acronym na alam kong tatatak sa atin. And that is C, R, and S. CRS. O, diba? First, C for connected diversity. Let's do a quick game for this called Real or Fake. Real or fake. So raise your hands if the statement is real and lower your hands if it's fake. Sorry na classmate, bigla akong magpa-quiz. Ready? First statement. We have a classmate working in La Mesa Dam who ensures we have clean water to use. Real or fake? Go! Very good. Real. Sinabi niyo. Second statement. We have classmates, plural, working in a nuclear facility. Wow. Who ensure our nuclear safety. Real or fake? Go! Real. Yan. It's Aris and Dante. Sorry na guys, yung case study kayo bigla. Ito, last question and dapat alam nyo. We have a classmate who invented an earthquake measuring device and was awarded by none other than the President of the Philippines. Real or fake? Yeah, very good. It's real, si Diane, and congratulations again for your recent achievement. The purpose of the game is to point out how interconnected we are, and the quality of what we do is felt by our classmates. And that our roles as technology managers in our respective fields has a big impact to everybody because technology cuts across industries. Kaya, tabikin natin si classmate sa kanan at sabihin with feelings, classmate, hindi kita makakalimutan sa projects ko. Go! Tabikin naman natin si classmate sa kaliwa at sabihin ulit with feelings, classmate, may opening ba dyan? So again, we are connected diversity and truly, I enjoyed meaningful conversations with all of you classmates. Parang nag-field trip na rin ako sa company niyo and I hope you have the same feeling too. The second point is R for reality. The reality of our MTM journey is a paradox. Paradox Because it's fun in terms of fulfillment, friends, and learnings. But at the same time, it's not fun because it's challenging and sometimes inconvenient. I'll give you two stories. First, may barkada in the South, si Jego at Nins. Jek and Jego are here. Kapag nakikita-kita kami, and sometimes sumasama rin yung iba, nagpa-party ang mga tito at tita. It's fun kasi ang golden ratio, 50% karaoke, 50% umakakabot nagbabagang kwentuhan. But over time, parang nagiging FGD. Alam niyo FGD? Focus group discussion. So FGD siya na may konting inom. And we enjoy. Second story, outing sa work sa BPI. Pero paunahan yata kami ni Yuli mga 500 words bago mag-party. Si Yuli kasi trabaho sa BPI. Not fun. But we have to go through that process. That's the reality of our journey. Mahirap. And for others who have a different approach and at times nag-crack, which I did too, that's valid. At most, nag-imprint sa core memory natin yung mga case study na sinagutan natin at that point. That is the reality we have successfully went through, so let us give ourselves 3 claps. So connected na tayo and we experience a type of reality through this program. Ano ang next step natin? So we go to S for service. The mere fact that we are here today proves that we have the first 2 words of the UP motto, honor and excellence. And I'm so proud of you classmates. Now, it's time to manifest service or compassionate service, as Sir Ed said. Even if you find yourself in foreign lands, may I please request that your top of mind should be how to give back or pay forward the Philippines, aside of course from supporting yourself and your family. We owe so much to the Filipino people, even if we paid our fees here in UP. Let us be reminded that we were subsidized by our countrymen, mga magsasaka, mangingisda, tindera. Best examples to look is our professors in front of you, who are doing the service out of passion. Mga high-caliber executives ng reputable firms, mga institusyon sa kanilang mga larangan, who spent their precious time for us. Let us also give them 3 claps. Again, we have already proven dangal and husay. Let us continue it, and moving forward, let us manifest pagiging lingkod. Yun lamang, binabati ko ang lahat at kasaya nawa tayo ng buong may kapal. Maraming salamat.